Hello everyone, welcome today in not in the daily newspaper, no, in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday September the 4th 2021, and today it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to complete the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper, additional of the yesterday's newspaper, yes. And there's one puzzle left, and that's the Tectonic with 1 star. I've already solved the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and this will be the third and last puzzle, number 3350. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 22 printed digits. Yes, 22. So must be an easy one. All right. Yes. Let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Do we have any single boxes here in this puzzle? No single box, only dual boxes. I see here the dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2, and we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here another dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me put the 1 and the 2 there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have any triple? Here, triple box. And the inside box, I've told you earlier, the inside box 4 or a 5. Well, this one has a 4. Those two boxes, 1 or a 3. I do not know in which order. Okay. More triple boxes here? No. No triple boxes. The quadra box then. We have here a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following step is to, or strategy is to recognize some shape. For example, the L shape, or the L figure, or construction, or structure, whatever you name it. The L shape. If you see here the L shape, here we have an L shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then our following shape, how about this shape? This shape. Alright. This shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, here, rotated or mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. More of this kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape that you need to recognize is this shape. This shape. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape or figure, the Z construction or Z shape. Alright. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that this box has the same number as that box. we have two boxes that has the same boxes. So in this case it's a 2. All right. Do we have more Z construction in this puzzle? No. Those are the 4 shapes or figures or constructions or structures that you need to know in this puzzle. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 4 of them that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy to fill the numbers. Yes, the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. All right. Then well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. All right. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. All right. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. But also this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here, but the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5, okay. 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box is going to be 5 in the more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box is going to be 1 in the more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this box is going to be 5 in the more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. All right. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. All right, 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. All right, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4, all right. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. All right. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yes, I could fill this number earlier, yes, because it's connected with each other, and it's finished in 12 minutes. Yes, definitely a 1 star, because for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I've managed to solve this in 12 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be I heard something. Yeah, don't forget. Only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binary, playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. I have also playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday, new week. So see you then. Bye bye for now.